Yo, 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 yo. Good morning, everyone. Morning. We are live. Good morning. Try adjusting my microphone right quick. Hold on. Let's stop recording here. Audio. Check. Here it is. I need to add some sort of noise suppression. Check 1 2. How about that? Is that better? Talk to me. What are we thinking? Maybe it's just the live itself. Well, you know what? Check. That should be better. Because it was double playing music this morning. Double playing music. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. All right, we're in a little early this morning, which I wanted to do because I like coming in early, checking out what's going on in the market and seeing if there's any opportunity. So first things first, let's take a look at news. Oh, that's right. Guys, Cloudflare slash AWS is down. Many websites that I use for work and take profit traders websites down. Like it's pretty crazy. Like to think that there's a chance where the whole entire internet could go down at some point. So me just trying to check market news this morning doesn't let me. Kind of sketch, not gonna lie, it's kind of sketchy for this to happen. So AWS down, Cloudflare down. Well, thought it was AWS. Maybe it's just Cloudflare. but we got this outage list right here. Cloudflare outage list: X, OpenAI, Canva, Spotify. Is ChatGPT down? Dang. It is down. Everything's down this morning. I mean, I don't know how sketchy that can get. The entire internet is down. Well, not entire, but a good chunk of websites that I genuinely use is just down right now. It says Discord's having issues too. Spotify. Ay caramba. Canva, we use Canva. The down detector website's actually down. So the website that helps us understand when things are down is down. If that ain't ironic, yeah. Facebook. No way, Facebook is down. Grindr, okay. Like League of Legends. Letterbox, I don't know what that is. OpenAI, Spotify. YouTube. Maybe it's not it's working for me. So, well, we need to check if there's news this morning. Let's check it somehow. Market. Red market. Oh my gosh, every website that I need to use to check news is down. Does anybody... Let's try this one. Okay, here we go. This is the one I like, actually. Hold on. My effects book. Today's the 18th. We got continuous job claims today, Tuesday at 3. Oh, sorry, that was yesterday. Today we have no red folder news. Continuous jobless claims came out yesterday at 3 p.m. That's weird. Man, there was more jobs lost. Bro, gold blasting buying. Yeah, I saw that. Gold definitely is going up right now. Got into my office right around here and has been running. So not bad if you're long gold. All right, we here. We ain't rushing into anything. Just chilling. You know, we're here early. Let me just clean up my charts a bit. Let's see here. Bitcoin broke 90,000 yesterday. Broke below 90,000 last night. We got as low as 89,000. Crazy. They will hunt stops both ways with this Cloudflare outage. Yeah. Oh man. It's bad. It's bad. Lots of main websites out. Even with me, a lot of the business that a lot of the stuff I do for my business needs Canva and whatnot. So, what EMA do I use? I use the 13 EMA and the 200 EMA. Are the two that I focus on. Bitcoin closed the CME gap, though only silver lining. I don't know. Yeah, I don't focus on gaps. I heard some other guys that I follow talk about the gap being filled. But you know, a lot of the news, if we look at the macro economics, like a lot of positive news has already been priced into the markets, in my opinion. So it would take some miracle type of news, like the Fed's dropping interest rates by 3 points. I don't know, like something crazy, or for there to be some sort of strong movement up. But there needs to be a correction. I've said it before. It does suck for a lot of people. I'm not in the market, but for people who are in the market holding long-term investments, you know, they're, you know, ultimately they're the ones at risk. So yeah. But good morning here. Good morning, guys. We're just chilling. We're not rushing into anything right now. I would like to ask, if you're just joining, it would be great if we could get a quick like on the screen, on the stream, just to kind of get things pumping and going. Would mean a lot. What are you looking for? Where's the next entry short near 94K? What do you think? Yeah, for gold, for Bitcoin, if we look at the 1 hour, depending how much you're looking at to go short, I actually like the shorts right now in this level. So, especially with this candle right here, this 1 hour candle, type of like indecision candle, weakness. You know, maybe depending on how this next candle closes, entering short on the 1 hour, to potentially come down to here. I don't know how if that's points or dollar amounts, but basically this 1 hour demand is where I would be taking profits if I were to short Bitcoin. It would be like a quick scalp for the day, because I can see price coming down here to find support on the 5 minute to go higher and retrace higher. So depending on your appetite and what type of trader you are, you might want to wait for the confirmation to find support down here and then try to short back up in 94K. I do see it coming to 94K before the next leg lower. You know, if we look at the 4 hour, I can definitely see it come up here and come lower, but too far to wait and try to trade. That's why I usually focus on the 1 hour and see if there's some sort of short scalp opportunity. But that's BTC. I just like looking at BTC because a lot of crypto market is reflecting. I don't know. I feel like gold does reflect the market well in some ways, but Bitcoin overall gives me an indication of like what's really going on, because the crypto bros and old money, so new money and old money is in Bitcoin. Gold is a lot of old money, in my opinion. So yeah, you know, I like the shorts on NQ. We failed highs here 1 2 3 4 times pretty much. So there might be a good short opportunity all the way down here. We're continuing to sell off, and this would be a demand area where I could see price jumping up from. On the 1 hour, on the 1 hour, we're still that's a big, you know what, that's a big candle lower. I'm gonna limit sell myself 1, and this is just a combine, guys. This is just a combine, keep in mind. I'm gonna take a stab short here. It's a little early, but
order filled.
I'm taking a shot, and I'm fine being wrong because it's just a combine. I'm not trading my real funds. I am not trading my, what is the freaking word called, guys? I'm having a brain fart. Funded accounts. Goodness gracious. It is one of those mornings. I'm not thinking straight. I jumped in pretty quick. I'm totally fine with the loss. Risking 300. Reason being is we're continuing short. We made this 1 hour like bearish candle. There's already a wick forming, and I wanted to anticipate this trend line break. I'll re-enter in if I get stopped out. Is gold gonna go up or down? Let's see on gold. I mean, that's such a broad question. Is it going to go up or down? Right now, overall, in the 1 hour, it's continuing lower. Yes, in the last hour candle is very bullish, but we're hitting a nice supply area, in my opinion. So I would potentially be looking to short gold at some point. Ali Khan, good morning, good morning. Hopefully that answers your question. On the 5 minute, there's a trend line here that might be interesting to try watching. It's got a lot of movement still. But let's zoom in onto the 1 minute. And we've got this trend line forming on the 1 minute up into supply. But right now we're watching NQ. Let's just stick to watching NQ currently. It looks like it's holding. So you're expecting gold to shoot back up again? Yeah, I mean, I don't know when it will, but there's a good chance that today, you know, after the sell-off overnight, that we got stopped out on that trade. There's a good chance today that the overnight selling might continue, or the overnight selling, like it's oversold and buyers might be stepping in. But you know, I could see it for sure coming up to 40.82, 40.80, but I feel like there's a lot of sellers here. So yeah, it's a tough call. NQ is really trying to hold up here on this trend line. Looks like it is, so I'm just going to take that off the table right now and be patient. On the 5 minute on my trading view charts, it closed below the 13 EMA, but it looks like it's trying to break out, something like this. BTC to back to 130, 140 range. That's, listen, at some point, yes, I feel like BTC will get to 130, 140 at some point in life. But I just don't know when. So sorry to not give you like the greatest answer, but that's my answer for you.
Order filled.
All right, we're doing this one more time. I'm just anticipating the break here. If we don't get it, we don't get it. Again, these are just combines. Yes, no worries, no worries. All right, we're wrong on this one. We're gonna get stopped out. All right, we're stopped on that one. I still have my Express accounts. This is funded. I took a trade last night, up $400, but I'm gonna take it slow on that, and not rush into anything. I'm just trading the combines, so I'm not stressing it. So, top of the hour is coming. Top of the hour is coming. Yeah, I'm going to be patient and wait for either or on NQ. Either it's going to break higher, this trend line, or we're going to continue the move lower. So I'll stay patient on that. Move this to the 5-minute so we can watch the 5-minute candles. There you go. All right. Let's just let it flow. Let's just let this thing flow. Con Expo, good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome. Guys, mean so much to me if you gently tap the like button. Just ever so gently tap the like button this morning if you're just waking up in the world. But how about we do our morning check-ins? Where is everybody at in the world? Yesterday had a lot of people from South Africa, some from the Midwest in America. But where are you joining in from in this beautiful world of ours? I am here in Arizona, 7 o'clock in the morning. It's chilly, very chilly. But yeah, tell me where y'all are at. All right, longs, longs on NQ are looking decent. If we go to the 1 hour, we already tapped into this 1 hour demand. All right. We go down to the 5-minute, or actually go back to the 1 hour. And there is a 1 hour supply right here to watch out for. So the range is kind of tight. But there might be a quick scalp opportunity. Go here. Okay, so we're going to clean this up. Boom, clean this up. For educational purposes, this is 5-minute demand. Nope. This is 1 hour supply. And this is 1 hour. I would like to enter long here in the 5-minute demand area. That is what I'm looking to do. So right here, I will look to enter long on NQ. UK, welcome, welcome. Been having a lot of people coming in from the UK. Nevada, bro, you're not too far from me. I'm down here in the desert with you in Arizona. Out here in Arizona. Bet it's chilly over there too. This morning's like in the 50s. Shilu? Shilu? I don't know what that is. Let's take a look at Bitcoin poll. BTC broke 90K. Do we continue lower today? 29% of you say, bro, you are too bearish. It's going up from now. 31% of you say, yes, the bulls are scared right now, meaning we're just going to continue lower. And 42% of you, much respect, I don't care, is what you said. Okay. Okay. Some of you aren't Bitcoin fans, but fair enough. Fair enough. Hey, is your name Shilu? Me? You're talking to me. No, my name is not Shilu.
Order filled.
All right. We're taking a stab long on this setup here with the 5-minute breaker structure. That was the trade plan. We broke higher. Now it touches the demand area and we try going long. You're about to watch me make 3 bad, get me stopped on 3 trades, which I'm totally fine with. Cause again, this is just a, what is it called? This is just a evaluation. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Short it, bro. I'm long right now because we broke the trend line. We also broke structure. We made a lower high or a higher high. So I'm trying to count this as is there like a time we're supposed to post every day? I feel like there's no consistency. Haha. Hold on. Good morning. Might get stopped out. We have got a client messaging me here. Hold on. Morning, Josh. Yes, the majority of the days we
order filled.
Period. Angel had a fever. Kind of early around. Sorry guys, business. I gotta take it really quick. I'm gonna include the C3. So, just wanted to touch base. Is there any possibility we could
Order filled.
Do we have the post scheduled? Our clients. I know you weren't. If you're back today, and I need to. Sorry guys, I got stopped out and I decided to mark it in. Try. My bad guys, my bad, my bad. That was a bad entry. I was just on the phone. Adrian Shalu, hi. Short it, bro. I'm scared of the lower time frames. Trading is risky at the moment. Just buy alts. Dude is going. It's going to drop. Show me the money. Now it's about to go up. Anyone else's? Yeah, Forex Factory's down, guys. Because of Cloudflare server issues. Crypto Brawler down. Nah, we cupping bull flag. I mean. Yes, it might be. Bear with me. Alts go down. That doesn't even make sense. 0.25 of 3. 3 is alpha. Is alts. Tell me you knew without telling me. This 5-minute candle's about to close. Yeah, it's raining out here.
Order filled.
I'll go ahead and double check. They said to message me in the morning. Them in the morning. Hey Pat, so sorry. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm just unmute. I'm sorry. I know you're on live right now.
All good. All good. No worries on that. Sorry, I don't know if you messaged me, but I'm trying to keep up with everything. Everything okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I understand. It's just for the tour, it's actually 1 minute and 15 seconds. So I was thinking that it should be just a separate reel just to get all the important stuff. and then just take some few clips here to be an intro for the interview. Is that okay?
Yeah, no, I trust you. I trust you. Let's do that. I trust you on that.
Yeah, because I just did the cutting of the backyard tour, and it's really long, and I like their conversation, so it's worth having it there.
Okay. Then let's do it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm getting chopped up. I'm getting chopped up. You saw the rejection candle on the downside. Bro, I'm just following a trend line break here and then a higher high. So mods, Ban Hoover said it's going up. This guy. Oh man. That is too funny. Yeah, I mean it's not looking too good right now. My entry wasn't great because I market ordered in. I was on the phone. So yeah. Probably cooked. This is NQ. If it goes up from here, it's a miracle. Honestly. It's just a miracle. And guys, this is just eval. I'm fine blowing up 49 bucks. Not stressing it. And we also have a giveaway going on for a TopStep account. So we got a giveaway going on. Let me get that for you guys here shortly. Hold on. Boom, boom, boom. Giveaway. Where's the giveaway? Where's the giveaway? Free TopStep account giveaway. Here's the TopStep account giveaway. If you're out of state or out of United States, it's going to be PayPal. Zoom PayPal. If you're stateside, I can do Venmo. But that is what you need to do to get the giveaway. So yeah. Are we out of the clear? Did we make it out of the clear, or what's going on here? Oh, look, it's going up. Shocker. It's going down. It's going down now. I'm stressed. Oh man, we were so close to getting stopped out. We still might get stopped out. We still might get stopped out. It's such a tight size, and then I just added in one more con for YOLO because I'm trying to pass this account, not caring about it too much. I am funded with TopStep, guys. So I'm not trading that right now. This is just a valuation. If you know how to read a chart, you know we going up. I mean, yeah, we could possibly keep going up. We could possibly keep going up. Trading choppy price action. Yes, I'm kind of trapped right now. Kind of trapped right now. It's cool. Just enter on the breakout of the range. You'll make it back. Well, I mean, I tried to do that. If you look at the 5-minute chart here, we had a break of a trend line, and then we also, instead of my charts look a little bit messy, but instead of making a new lower high, we made a higher high, which is why I entered. Don't do what I'm about to do, guys. Don't do what I'm about to do. I'm just lowering my stops because I'm thinking that if it does come down lower, it's gonna like stop people out here and go higher. I'm okay losing a little bit more, possibly blowing up this this eval, but I just want to try giving it a shot to breathe. Let's see if it breaks this low and rejects higher. Come on, let's get the rejection. Come on, don't come lower. Nice. Come on, keep going. Come on. Come on, don't give up on us. Don't give up on us. Oh yeah, we're cooked. We are cooked.
Order filled.
Boom. Oh man, I gotta. It's just evals, so I'll reset it if I blow it up. 49,934 is the balance. This account blows up at 49,500, so I got 500 left. But yeah, that was rough. This is definitely a setup, but market open is so close that that could have been, you know, a deciding factor. But you have to look at this objectively. You know, I'm not trading it based off of the 1 hour time frame that we're overall bearish. I'm just trading what's kind of like right in front of me right now. And what's in front of me is lower high, lower low, lower high, low, higher low, right? And we already broke this last lower high. So we're changing the structure. We're changing pace, which is why I look to go long for the continuation higher. So if this 5 minute candle closes up again, I'll try one more time. Yeah, oof, it's definitely part of the game, and I'm not sweating it. It's part of the game, and this is just evals. Again, I have live funded accounts. Guys, you can do me a favor if you're still with us. I know you guys are talking amongst yourselves, but it would mean a lot if we can get the likes up, just to get the algorithm juices flowing, get people kind of noticing what we're doing, what we're trying to do, where we're going. It's better to lose money with people than it is to lose money by yourself. So enter, bro. Rejection. Yeah, it could be the rejection on this here, but I'm just going to be patient. I'd rather just give it one more shot in this next 1 minute candle. Oh, you know what? Sorry, guys. Market's about to open. I just saw it. 15 minutes till market open, so I'm just gonna sit for a second. We might chop here for a bit before till market opens, so just wait for the break, the retest into the highs, order block, standard deviation row. Hold on, guys. Sorry, I gotta take care of something really quick. What's your bias on the day? You know, it's tough. It's a tough call. I think that we sold overnight pretty hard, so there might be a recovery day, a retracement. But we don't know. You could it can just continue lower. Yeah, I try to not have a bias in general. I trade what's in front of me. But my guesstimate is that price on NQ we have some sort of recovery day. But you know, it's never for sure. Let's check in on the poll here. We had 100. We have 101 votes. BTC broke 90K. Do we continue lower today? 32% of you say no, we're going up from here. 31% of you say yes, the bulls are scared, so this is going to drop even lower. And 38% of you say I don't care. Much respect to you guys. Does anyone trade gold or currencies? Who can plug me with the setups? Do your own homework percentage. This ish is going down soon. Yeah, I trade gold. It's gold and NQ that I look at. Right now we're in a 1 hour supply that I like on gold. So I was looking at this trend line on gold to short. So that's my quick analysis on gold is we made new lows. We're back in November 7th lows. So I could see why we hit these demand areas and we're going higher. We're in a 1 hour supply right now. So I'm anticipating some sort of rejection. It doesn't have to be a long, huge rejection, but I'm just anticipating some sort of rejection. If we go to the 1 hour, you know, if price does break above here this morning and stays up, then I can see it's coming back to 41.63. It's all fugazi, by the way. Everything I say is all fugazi. So this guy, what wants free calls and probably gonna get mad if it's wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from the calls, guys. I ain't gonna make calls for you guys to take. So none of this is financial advice. Oh, hold on. I can. Sorry guys, I'm trying to keep up. I got too much stuff going on. I think I gotta try to not reply back to business while I'm live with you guys. Supply and demand zones could serve as pullback zones too. Yep, agreed. I do look at it that way. You got big surprise. It's gonna buy, bro. Yeah, so I'm just chilling. I'm down $1,600 on this eval, which I ain't stressing it. I do trade cryptocurrencies. Don't know about Forex. I hate that crap. Yeah, I totally agree. I don't like Forex anymore. I got burned with prop firms, with slippage and just a bit more shady because a lot of the prop firms are overseas. The prop firms I trade, which is TopStep and TPT, Take Profit Trader, they're only stateside. My team's having issues uploading content for my clients because of the Cloudflare / AWS issue. So let's take a look at that. AWS. Cloudflare down. Cloudflare issue still down. Cloudflare sites across the world. Company providing key internet infrastructure suffers outage. Down detector. So if you're having issues trying to look at the market news today, it's because the down detector's on. Or Cloudflare is down. Cloudflare is down, guys. BTC looks bullish. No one knows what the market's going to do. It's all about probability. The higher quality setups, the higher chance you're right. That's correct. I totally agree with you, Jack. This guy's lubed up and ready. What? What is this guy? Sims like NSQ waiting market open. Yep. And also good to study trade before making analysis for trading. Yeah. You're right on that. You're right on that. I'm totally fine with the setups that I took long this morning. I probably over traded, but it's just eval. You guys will hear me say this all the time. I'd rather risk $49 and lose than take my actual live funded account here and gamble, right? I'd rather take the risks on the evals. Oh my gosh, it's pouring. It's pouring out here in Arizona. Sorry. And your neck of the woods might be normal for it to rain. But for me, it's crazy. Good morning, Lynn. It is pouring here. Are you guys still on with the jobs today by chance? Just wanted to. Yeah, market is kind of weird. We've been stuck in this 40-point range, but it's just market's about to open. Gold trend line's about to break. So let me just clean up my charts here for NQ. So that's pretty much it. This trend line no longer has validity in my mind. Maybe something like that. But probably look at that now. BTC sell only, straight consolidation. Why even gamble at all though? Just building bad habits. Market hasn't even opened. It's not slow. Market's about to open here in 5 minutes. Bro, I feel bad. I'm up 1.7k. Feel like I took that from you. You took it straight out of my fake pockets because that's fake money, bro. It's just fake money. SLV trend line. Yeah. I watch trend line breaks with 1 hour demand, 1 hour supply with 5 minute break of structure entry areas. So that's what I mainly trade. But since market's just about to open, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of clean up the charts and sit back and wait. Hey, we're up to 21 likes. I appreciate everybody dropping some likes in there. If you're enjoying the sub, or if you're enjoying the sub, sounds like a sandwich. If you're enjoying the sandwich, enjoying the sub sandwich, what I meant to say is if you're enjoying the stream, means so much to me if you can drop a like, or if you'd like to see more content like this. I'm going to try to come out with new videos every week that help the prop firm trading world and psychology wise. I do not sell courses. I do not sell anything. Everything is free. My Discord is free. Everything's free. The only thing that I will try to monetize and make money on is going to be prop firms, where I can refer you guys over to prop firms that I trust and use. And then 2, YouTube monetization. Those are the 2 angles where I try to monetize the YouTube channel, so that everybody's clear. I don't want to sell a course. I don't want to be a course bro. Even though courses do help, maybe one day in the future, my convictions change and I want to sell a course. Yeah. Discord is in the description below. The link is there. We've got a few more active people in there. It's a small community, but you know, it's fun when it's small because like we really get to know each other. And this is the beginning parts, where it's like, oh, yo, I remember you from the beginning, yada yada. So yeah, I think it's a good time to join the Discord. Thanks. Yep. No worries. Appreciate you joining today. Market open 3 minutes. Let's just stay tight. Let's try to let the first 15 minutes shake out. All right. I thought I said the market was going to open 2 minutes ago, and it's only been 1 minute. Morning's already been crazy, y'all. Are you a roofer too? I used to run a roofing company. Yes, it was this company. I had partners, not good. But I manage commercial roofing call centers right now for a few roofers, so I'm in the roofing world. What link? Link in the Discord. Anybody on NASDAQ? This is NASDAQ that we're looking at. 5 minute time frame is on TradingView below, and then 1 minute on top. Let me add my Discord link to my bio and my WhatsApp. Go for it, bro. Let's all jump into each other's Discords. Feels like 5. Yeah. Yep. Let's just let the market breathe. Market about to open in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bing, 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 bing. Market open. Stay tight. Everybody respect your stop losses. I have to eat my fueling, so let's just chill out and hang out for a little bit. I lost another pound this morning. Oof. Hold on. I lost another pound this morning. What was I saying? Getting distracted with this trendline break on gold. I lost another pound, so I'm down 17 pounds in total, which is great. So I just got to keep eating these fuelings. NASDAQ coming up to break the trend line, but we're not going to rush into anything. Not trading the first 15 minutes for sure. I try not to trade the first 15 minutes either. Yesterday, though, the first 15 minutes was the time to trade yesterday on NQ. Oof. Anybody trying to take that long? on NQ got cooked. Yesterday was terrible. Yeah, the first 15 minutes was good, but then the rest of the day was crazy bad. Are you trading the US market? Yes, I am. Pardon my eating. But this stuff saved my life, man. If you go to my Instagram, I used to be 420 something pounds. And I jumped on this program, got me down to like 300. I gained a little bit of weight, so I'm back on it. I'm trying to get down to 220. Yo, the shorts went short and they got cooked. The longs went long and they got cooked. Everybody's getting cooked right now. Irrelevant. Thanks, brother. We just chilling. I'm down fake $1,600. The fake account. It affects your Indian market. Yeah, all the markets are intertwined, but the big boys really change everything, you know. Meaning the heavier GDP. Full port long 10Q. What do you guys think? Full port long NQ? Our overall bias this morning was correct, but just not a good time to trade. And my stops are really tight because I'm risking more, so. Pardon my disgusting eating, but I must eat the foods that help me lose weight. Tony, this guy. Hey, if you like to trade the first minute candle, if you like to trade this 5-minute candle, that you do you. You do you. Look at this. First 5 minutes of the market, 168 points. Going nowhere. You do you. I'm chilling. I've been there before. Long, long, long. Full ports long. It's going up. It's going higher. I entered in here. Buy, buy, buy. Buy, buy, buy. Oh, it's gonna flip. It's gonna flip. Just give it a bit. Give it a bit. It's gonna flip. It's gonna flip. It's gonna flip. It's gonna flip. And it keeps going lower. It keeps going lower. I'm only down 2,000. I'm only down 3,000. Bro, that's nah, dude. I ain't living that life. I'm all weight. Oh, okay, Tony's with me. Tony's with me. All right, Tony. It's your stream, dog. Eat. Thanks, Jack. So I eat this every 2.5 hours. This is all I'm gonna eat for the next 2.5 hours, and then I have another one of these type of meals again. So they're in my little man purse, my merce that I carry around. I got another bar here. My alarm goes off on my phone, says time to eat. I'm like, yes, it's time to eat. So, oh, hold on, sorry guys. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I had this idea while I was like going through the clips. Have you ever used negative hooks before?
Negative hooks?
Yeah.
No. I mean, can you send me an example? Maybe we have.
Yeah, you can look that up in TikTok or Instagram. Some people use negative hooks to grab attention, and at some point it actually works. And I have an idea about the tour video, or like for the interview I can use a negative hook. I, I'll show you later. It's hard to explain, but yeah, I saw an opportunity to do that kind of hook here in the interview, and I hope I can do that if that's okay with you.
No, hey, I love the feedback and I love that you're trying to be creative. So, I trust you, and we can never go wrong posting. So if it only gets 100 views, sweet. But if it goes really well and it gets thousands of views, then we're on the right track. So, I'm open to experimenting. I like that you want to try that. So let's do it.
Yeah, I can also send you some like recommendations for negative video hooks that we can use, or like some reference for
Okay.
you.
Yeah, send me one in the chat. I'll take a look at it real quick. But I trust you. Let's just run with it and see what happens.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. Sorry, guys. The team needed help, so I just had to take care of them. Would you consider yourself a successful trader? No, absolutely not. I only have $10,000 in payouts with TopStep, and then like with Take Profit Traders, like $2,500. How long have you been trading? Since 2020. Almost 2 days, no food. I'm eating, man. I'm eating. I eat ground turkey and broccoli at night. It sucks because now I smell good food everywhere. Like, it's really hard. But I'm a chubby guy and trying to lose weight, so I'm sticking to it. Can't wait to become profitable. Yeah, man, I'm hoping it for you. Everybody can be profitable in the markets. Juan being profitable, it's up to you. Could be today for sure. Excuse me. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Facts. I like facts with X. That's cool. Facts. What is that food you're eating? It's called Optavia. It's a health program. I used to be. It's a little bit of a multi-level marketing company, but the food actually does work and it saved my life. I used to, you know, I used to be 420 pounds, which is just crazy to think about. But I was there. This is my Instagram if you guys want to follow. This was me when I was 420 pounds. Crazy. Shout out to my wife for loving me even when I was that big. So, she's real. Very lucky, very blessed person, blessed man. But yeah, so I got down to 285, 290. Now I'm back up. I got back up to 341. Now I'm down 17 pounds today, as of today. So I'm back to 325, I think, this morning. So, yeah, just doing my thing. Just doing my thing. Follow me on Instagram. A little plug. Just a little plug there. Dang, NQ's breaking hearts right now. Long. Now it's looking like it wants to go short. Let me in the office this period. Raya did send me. Thanks, brother. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. Really trying to do my best. 5 minutes till the 5-minute opening range. That's right. What time frame you're using? I focus on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. So I'll switch this up to a 5 minute chart on the left and then 1 minute on the right. I've got gold below. Gold is below, and then I have NQ in the middle screen. Guys, we're almost to 30 likes. Can we hop over the 30 likes mark? That would be really sweet. The most likes I ever got on a live stream is 68. If today's the day that we break that, freaking let's go. That's a W to me. If not, we just chilling. We're just chilling. I swing trade. I can't be able to sit across the screen all day. Same here. I mean, I allocate about 2.5 hours to be in front of the screen. But sometimes setups happen like 4 hours from now. So I try taking it while I'm in the middle of meetings or calls. Today I got to be on the road. I got to be hitting the road. I have businesses outside of this. This is an office that I have on top of a car dealership. So I don't make full-time money off of trading yet. Okay, not yet, but that's the goal. So my small businesses keep me afloat. Okay, if you're an NQ, I feel bad. Like, you guys have been chopped up pretty hard. You know, there's this last 5 minute demand right here that seems kind of interesting to long. I do not trade derivatives. This 5 minute demand would be sick if it got tapped. And tried to go long. Almost got there, but we didn't. Hey, we broke the 33, the 30 mark. Thank you guys. Shout out to you. You watching. Yeah, talking about you. You out there in the world. How is it not being present at your car dealership? I don't own the car dealership. I just rent the office space. My two other businesses are social media marketing. We manage multiple accounts for clients, service-based businesses, and then I build call centers for roofing companies. I use agents overseas in the Philippines, Egypt, and train them how to with the roofing script. And yeah. How many hours did you study before when you first got into trading? Dude, I don't even know, man. That's a good question. I don't know. Easily over 1,000 hours. Easily. Shorts on gold. Did someone say shorts on gold? I think someone said that. I think it was me. So,
another question.
Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. Hold on. Yes, ma'am.
Should I include the client asking the question for the interview, or just the answer?
Just the answer. Oh, well, if it's the client, if it's Nathan asking the question, you can include it. You know, just cut the dead air between the answer as much as possible. But yeah, we can include that.
I'll just include it. But how many reels are we going to do for the interview? Like just one? Because if it's gonna be just one, then it's better to not include the questions and just go with the answers straight to it.
Okay, if it's that long of a reel, then yes, we just want to do one for this client interview.
Okay, then I'll just go with the answers and just have flash caption for the question.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I didn't know how long he talked, but if he talked for quite a bit, then let's do that.
Yeah. Okay, sure. Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, guys, we are definitely just waiting to see what happens here, but I want to short gold.
Order filled.
So we're going to short gold. These are futures, and I'm trading gold and Q. That's what I mainly focus on. This is just the combine. I have my XFAs here, sitting here nice and quiet. This is my combines. They're up 555 bucks each. I ain't pressing anything. This is just the combine I'm trading right now. No, I'm trading futures currently. So if you're trading forex, that's XAU USD. Yeah, I mean, I trade somewhat of the same patterns, but I really wait for areas of entry, which this was one of them. I might blow this combine here, guys. Might blow it right now. That was a good, I could have taken profits 500, but you know, was seeing if we were going to get the move lower.
Order filled.
Voila. Voila. We blew a combine. This is just a combine. It's $49. I'm not stressing 49 bucks. Okay, listen. I'm going to say this because there are a lot of guys that are not going to show you losing trades and people who trade, and you know, I'm going to show you everything, and we're going to do it live. And I'm totally fine blowing combines because I don't want to sit and wait 30 days. Bruh, I ain't waiting 30 days to try passing something. I just like to pass the combines, and then when I get them funded, I'm chilling. Like this is my funded account. Like I'm just gonna chill. So I'm just gonna reset it. How long have you been trading? Repeatable setups up and down. Many of them do you trade? 5-minute breaker structure inside of a 1 hour demand or supply. Probably about 1.5 years is kind of my time frame that I've been doing that. Give me a second here. Push forward. So yeah. Risk management's okay, Shaq. You can pass it in 2 days and win 90% of the time. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'd rather pass in 2 days and then move on. And risk more and like size up instead of waiting 30 days. Have a great day. First, last. Have a great day, brother.
Why you should start using negative hooks. Negative hooks are going to reel in your audience right away. It tells you that you shouldn't want to do it. Prove them wrong. The psychological thing, and most humans are wired to examples of negative hooks. It's the worst mistake that you could be making for your TikTok videos. You are instantly ruining your videos by doing this.
How often do your setups show up on a weekly basis? You know, the setup can happen daily actually. So for instance, shorts on gold were definitely it. I just got liquidated, unfortunately. Does that suck? Yeah, it sucks. It kind of makes me kind of mad right now. Would have hit TP on gold. Would you look at that? We would have hit TP, but I got liquidated on the account. Okay, I'm watching gold shorts, everybody. Gold shorts is going to be what I'm going to wait for. Am I really frustrated? Yes, I am really frustrated because I would have made back most of the losses if I didn't get liquidated. Stupid trailing, end of day trailing drawdown. It's messed up, y'all. It's messed up. Do you feel like downward trend on BTC is really due to large investors, corporations trying to create a new lower entry point? No, I don't believe in that. What I believe in is that the overall market macroeconomics is calling for a reset because we've been printing fake money for years, and in 2020, stimulus money came in and artificially propped up the economy, and I think it's an overall understanding that there needs to be a sort of pullback on all-time highs. So I don't think smart money or huge banks and, you know, equity firms are selling because they're forcing to buy at a lower point. I think they're just under the impression that price is going to go lower and they're going to wait to buy at a certain place. That's it. Are your setup strategies strong enough for you to depend on it or change them over time or trade different other strategies? Sometimes I have to adjust my strategy a bit because it doesn't get to the entry area. So I'll scalp faster on the 1 minute. All right, so we closed. I'm going to take the short here on the combine. If we get there. And then I'm also going to take that on the Express account. Are you kidding me, guys? It's frustrating because I would have been up, but we got stopped out. I got stopped out here. Our entry was like right here. 1,000. It does suck, but it is what it is. That's just the way it is. Yeah, her project is strictly going to be on TopStep now. Yeah, I heard that too. A little bit of drama, just a little bit of drama in the markets there. I'm only risking 150 bucks on my big news coming at 10 a.m. I don't know who that is. I don't know what the news is, but that's a big rumor, Manny. All right, 150 bucks on the combine, guys. 150 on the combine is what I'm risking. And then on this, let's go 500. $40.72.9. This is the same stop for both accounts now. I've been trading since 2020. Been losing money since 2020. This year I've become somewhat profitable. What was the 10 o'clock morning news? Manny, good morning, good morning. Do you also have a seasonal strategy? No, I don't. One that plays out for 6 months and stops? No, I don't. I pretty much try trading the same thing and just kind of ebb and flow with the market. So on the 1 minute, we retested the 13 EMA and we rejected it. So now we're coming down to this 200 EMA, which is where we bounced off. If the 13 EMA and the 200 cross on the 1 minute, that'll be a strong bearish confluence. Man, my entry on... I kind of sized... I only did 3 micros. It's not the greatest. But yeah, I'm going to look to take profit on the live funded account here if we get there. I don't think it's seasonal. I think it's more of volume based. So based on the type of volume that you're getting. Will your setup occur, or will it not? Good morning, Shaq. Good morning, Manny. Oh, you changed your picture, Manny. What happened to G37? I like the G37. But are you aware of the seasonal strategy? What's your take on it? Yeah, I think I answered that. We're almost above 40 likes, guys. Can we get above 50? Is that possible for us? Move ahead to break even here. I'm going to look to take profits at this swing low.
Order filled.
All right, on the live funded accounts, I am locking myself all day. I'm out. The account is up to $866. And then on the combine, we're going to try and sit and wait for 1510. It is, I probably just chickened out and took profits way too early. But that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes, guys. That's the way the cookie crumbles. I'm hoping we push lower. If we get to 1510, we're done for the day on this combine. No. Miracle Mill, what's up? Wait, you said the only started being consistently profitable this year? I started being profitable this year, yes. What do we think, guys? Do we hit the take profit area? Did we close the trade? It's kind of rough, actually. This is a demand right here. All right, no matter what, we made 720 bucks if this flips. Booked a profit for 150k, 10k FTMO. Bro, I have not heard of FTMO in like the longest time. That's crazy. You just brought me back. I was just thinking the same thing. 1k.
Order filled.
All right, we booked about $1,000 on that. Not bad, guys. Not bad. Yeah, hold. So on the combine, I locked myself out, took profits. The combine, the balance on both of them are $866 in profit. 723 on the day. And And on this combine, we're at 976. So we just need to make around 400, 500 bucks. How many strategies that failed before you found the one that worked for you, and how long did it take you to master your current strategy? That journey is very long, years. Trying many different courses, many different styles. To short answer is I don't know how long, years. My recommendation is to just jump in and try things. I don't think there's a perfect path for everybody. I think everybody faces their different types of journeys in trading. Some take a decade before they're profitable, some take a year, you know. I used to be bitter for those guys that get profitable in a year, but it's just a journey, and the journey that you have with yourself in trading is a tough one, but it's very rewarding when you figure it out. I think that trading is less about making money, but knowing yourself. I think the money will come as you continue to learn yourself, and that I'm still on that path. I used to think trading was about freedom, when really trading was a reflection of what I want, and it was not money. Trading was just a reflection of wanting to know myself. You know, I've avoided my life for so long because I was a very traumatic upbringing, and trading brought me to my knees multiple times, as it will bring everybody to their knees. So yeah, trading is a mirror. That's my philosophy for the day. Hold up, I don't see any of y'all joining the Discord. Hold up, y'all said you're gonna join the Discord, you didn't even join the Discord. Who said that they're gonna join the Discord? They didn't even join the Discord. Manny, GG, not bad, better than 720. Yeah, it's true, it is better than 720. It's gonna hurt, but I could have left my stops above here, but you know, it is what it is. What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. What's the fee for winning $1,000? Right now, this is just a evaluation, so there's no money to be made. I still have to pass. This is live funded, so I'm only up 866 bucks on these funded accounts. I believe TopStep is a 90/10, or no, you get to keep up to $5,000 of the first 10K. So, forgive me, guys. I think it's the other way around. You get to keep up to 10K straight, but you can only pull out max 50% of your profits, and that cap is at $5,000. So if I make 10 grand inside of this one funded account, I can only pull out $5,000. And before a 90/10 split, you can only get maxed out at 10. Like you can only make 10 grand before maxing out and then doing a 90/10 split. I went ahead and locked myself out of the freaking out of the Express account. I saw profit, made profit. I'm up, just locked myself out. So we're just gonna focus on this combine to see if we can get to making just around 450 bucks is the focus. So let's see if we get that. Let's look at NQ, see what's going on with NQ. My gosh, nice sell-off on NQ. I'll join. Thank you. It's in the description, guys. In the description. What's the fee for winning? Post a link. Fees in the description is in the Discord is in the description. Dang it. Discord in the description. So you trading full time, or you have something on the side that you do? Yeah, I own. Not I own. I have two side businesses. This is not full time. If you weren't here, I'll say it again. I am not going to sell a course for the foreseeable future. I am not going to sell anything. The only thing that I will try to make monetize on is going to be the YouTube channel itself. You guys watching, you guys being here, watch hours, yada yada. And then also offering prop firms with the referral code. They give me a commission if you guys decide to buy from me. I will say this also, I do not want to just have 15 prop firms that I promote just because they're going to pay me commissions. I want to focus on max 3 that I trust, that I like, that I use, that I've made money from, and make money from those referrals. So whether you've been trading prop firms for a long time or it's your first time, I want to be the guy that gets you into prop firms, or be the code that you use to buy your next eval, because then I make a little commission on that. So there's that. Currently, let's see. Maybe there is another opportunity here. Let's just take a look. Let's take a step back. So earlier this morning, actually, let me use this as charts. Earlier this morning, I discussed how price is going into a 1 hour supply on gold, which we did that perfectly. This 1 hour doji indecision candle, whatever you want to call it, I just see it as weakness formed. I also had a very nice long trendline break. Trendline form right here. And guys, the longer the trend line with the more touch points, the bigger the move is generally what I like to look for. So that was the move. It rejected and boom, short. Now we're in a 5-minute demand area. So potentially might be some longs coming in. So I might look to scalp long for a quick $200-300. $400 is all I need. So this is gold, not a stock actually. If you're Forex, it's XAU USD. If it's futures, it's just GC. On the 5-minute time frame, we tapped this 5-minute demand here perfectly, and now we're going higher. If I'm looking at it with higher lows and higher highs, there are higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then we made a lower high, and then this candle closed bearish and broke all these last lower highs. So potentially there might be a opportunity to short and a supply up here, something like this. This might be a good short opportunity where we break the last lower high, we come up here, and then we make the new leg lower.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take the stab long, risking $300. We could only make 400, 500, actually 510. Can't make more than that. So we'll stick to it. Discord is in the description. Description, guys. Description. I'll post it in here all the time. I moved to break even pretty quick because I'm just protecting the wins. Trading is the hardest way to make easy money. Cortisol released. Yeah. Adrenaline release. Yep. When you book profit. Journey between riding in the roller coaster without bells. That's amen to you, bro. Or Anna, ma'am. Sorry if you're a ma'am. What pair are you trading? This is gold, XAU USD Forex, or futures. It's
order filled.
Futures is Futures is GC. Discord's completely free. Discord's completely free, guys. I ain't selling anything. Could have had a winner there. Could have had a winner. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. You know what? I'm going to take it one more time long. Down here. Trading yesterday was good or bad during live, but I took a setup on the funded account.
Order filled.
Go to 300 here. All right, I'm taking the stab long.
Order filled.
All right, took a hit there. This is just evals, guys. Just evals. We already got a winning trade on the funded account, so I'm chilling. I didn't want to miss the move, so I would have accepted the loss. I accepted a loss because I was entering in quick. Do you have any tips on emotional controlling your emotions when you enter a trade like this when you see green and red? Yeah, I would suggest journaling. I journaled for a long time. In my Discord, I have a long list of journals, and I journaled as if I'm in third person. So I'd say trader is in position, currently is red. Trader's feeling scared to lose money. Trader needs to understand that the setup is going to be what it is, and if it's a winning trade, it's great. If it's a losing trade, it's, you know, like I would talk in third person. So I would suggest journaling if you're not journaling already. Alden, what's up? What's up? What did you learn about you in JWR? I don't know what JWR is. You're talking about journaling? Such a sweet position. Oh yeah, journaling. Yeah, I learned that I attach so much of myself to the outcome of the trade. I learned that I validate myself in winning trades. And when I have a losing trade, I beat myself up and I think that I'm stupid. I know it sounds crazy, but that's one of the biggest learning lessons that I had, is that I associate winning to me as a person. Like, oh, I'm good if I win, and then if I lose, I am bad. Like my worth, my self-worth, I should say, which is not good. So it had nothing to do about the money. It had everything to do with my view of myself, and I had to work on that, and I've been working on that. If you look at my videos, one of my most recent videos is talking about my childhood and everything like that. 1 second here. Goodness gracious. But this is the 1 minute.
Order filled.
What news do you check? I check the red folder news. Oof. If I get stopped out, I'm gonna stop.
Order filled.
All right, we're up 337 for the day. I'm gonna call it a day because I don't want to go on tilt here. It's the longs look good, but it's so choppy. Some sort of breakout's gonna happen. And this is just evals, just to give you guys a heads up. On the funded accounts, we're up today $723. So I locked myself out. Well, I don't want to go on tilt, so I usually try to stick. Are you kidding me? Just frustrating. It's rough. It's a rough call. I think we do go higher, but I'm just, my stops are so tight that I'm getting stopped out. What's up? What's up? CD 1, 2, 3, 4 5-minute candles of just, or well, 3 5-minute candles of indecision. I can definitely see it pulling back higher. Another day, another dollar. Exactly. NQ. And this is how prop firms get you. Watch this. I'm gonna if you're still here and you learn something about prop firms, I'm gonna teach you right now. Ready? I was up $800, $900 for the day. If it was a live funded account, I'd be done. I'd be out. I made money. We're walking away, right? But because with the prop firm, I'm trying to pass faster and trying to get to 1500, and I'm trying to pass, and it's a challenge or an evaluation or a combine. Your mind thinks I need to try to do something, right? Which forces you to do something, which forces you to take trade, which makes you look at the markets in a different way instead of objectively. Is it running right now? And could we have been at $1,500? 100%, because we were correct in our bias, but my stops are too tight right now. I don't know why I'm making them so tight, but it is what it is. But I just want you to understand, combines are made for you to fail. Prop firms make money when you lose. They don't make money when you win. They make money when you lose. And as much as I am going to support them, I also want to speak the truth. You only make money, or prop firms only make money when you lose money. Excellent discipline pro. How long have you been training? I've been training for 5 years. Why not have stops at the low? Stops at the low, my risk could be too wide, risking $600, $700. Excellent discipline pro. Takes balls to do what you're doing. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. It has not been easy. I was going live for a little bit, only having like 5 or 10 viewers, maybe even 3 sometimes. And I'd stress myself out and lose money and care too much about what everybody's thinking. What is your average so far since you've started? I don't know what you mean by average. I agree with your evals perspective. Yeah, it's tough. It's definitely tough. But I like evals. I like prop firms. They help people with lower capital amounts to get into funded accounts. You know? So. All right, let's freaking do this. Let's freaking do this. Should we risk the profits that we made today? Because again, just eval. I hear that. I was trying to teach my buddy through Zoom and it really screwed with me, so I get it. Yes, dude. Yes, bro. Yes. That statement alone, I understand what you were doing, and I understand that it messed with you too. Like, dude. That's why I don't want to teach, you know? Just want to focus, you know? They say, y'all saying no? Oh, man. Don't want to risk. Again, it's just Fugazi fake money. 5-minute closed on the 13 EMA. Look, strong confluence. 5-minute close on the 13 EMA. So I definitely think we're going to come up and test these highs. But I hear you. I hear you. Remember when streaming to have a better perspective, 5 viewers or 5 people in the room just watching you. Soon it's 30. That's a whole classroom, but consistent makes adjustments where necessary. Yeah, man, Noodle, that's great perspective. I agree with you. Now my streams are getting around 5,000 views average per stream. So the pressure is on, but I also don't care anymore if people watch or not. I genuinely am doing this because I enjoy it. I like hanging out with you guys, I like talking with you guys. And also there can be some monetary value with me being on here talking and building a community, and I'll be able to monetize off of that. So yeah. No risk, no reward. I gotta risk it for the biscuit. It's the truth, bro. It's the truth. You're 100% right. I've always had issues identifying key levels and high lows. Like, I get the general area, but I tend to fixate on it too much. Any advice? Yeah, my advice to you is to focus on is to focus on time frames and to narrow it down to time frames that work for you best. I used to look at all time frames, which would kind of ruin my perspective of areas of entries, which I think that's what I'm hearing from you. So I would narrow down 2-3 time frames, 4 time frames max that you like, that you're going to stick to. Is my did you guys see that long? Did you guys see that long? My heart is broken. My heart is broken. But we are entering the short area. We are entering the area where I wanted to go short. As long as you, as I learning for sure, 100%. Yes, I would say wait till day high to risk profits, breakout, reversal trade. My idea is up to you. Oh, for sure. Yeah, appreciate that, Anna. Yeah, I like the supply area. I would take that short no matter what anyway. This 5-minute supply zone that I have marked out. I used the 1 week and 1 month and 3 month. Nice. Sounds like you're a swing trader. Should have sent it. I know, bro. I should have. We would have been right here. Would have been $700 on that right there. But this is a supply area that I had marked out. So I'd be intrigued to short.
Order filled.
All right, I'm risking what the profits we have for the day. So basically be break even if I get stopped out. So 1300, I just need to be at 1200. So be at the bottom of this range to get the max 1500. Close over the fair value gap. Yeah, I mean, this 5-minute candle right here, closing like this, is a very weak candle. I wish there was a way to go oval, but yeah, we tapped the 5-minute supply perfectly. I allowed myself to wait for a trend line break to enter, so that's what I did. So now we're doing our best to stick to our take profit. If we break this low here on this 1-minute candle, I'm going to move to break even. Make it the body of this candle. If we would have entered in that 5-minute supply, whew, perfect entry, wicked it, we would have been done. But, you know, I wanted to wait for extra confluence with the trendline break. What's 1500? $1,165 is what I need to get to, so 70. All right, we tap this line. I'm gonna move to break even now. We made 50 bucks on this trade, and we're gonna see if the shorts hold. I need to use the bathroom. So I need to go pee. Can you guys watch my setup here? Watch it. Gotta go pee. What's up, everybody? What's up? So if I'm looking at the 5-minute, it looks like we might I would like to see this create a lower high and then the new leg lower. So something like lower high, and then we break this last lower low. Yeah, those are good confirmations. It's a bit tricky right now. It's a bit tricky, not gonna lie. Sorry, I dropped out. Did you answer my question? James, I don't know what your question was, brother. So sorry. Does future trading cost less capital than trading spots? I don't know what spots are, but future, this is prop firms. If you're trading, some brokers will let you trade futures with like a minimum of $750. About the key area spotting accurate highs and lows. I use 1 hour demand and 1 hour supply. And then also using less time frame confluences, and just focus on a handful of time frames. You know, don't look at everything. You know, just pick a handful that you really like to focus on and go from there. Good morning, everyone. Good start to the week. Today it's raining a lot, so it's going to be great to call for roof inspections period. It's pretty much raining for the next day or two, so let's mention the fact that it's raining. We can show you roof inspection. Also, see tarping they had. I have to hit the road here shortly, so if I can join, well, if not, I will have Ryan. Please just guide the meeting and make sure that we just follow through with some role play and not base. Let's hit the phones by 10 a.m. and then a quick early break at 9 a.m. period. Thanks, guys. Exclamation. About the key areas, answer like which broker are you using? I am using prop firm, and this is Take Profit Trader. This is Take Profit Trader. You know, I really feel like I'd be stupid to not lock in a little bit more profits in this area. So above these highs. That's what I'm gonna do. Love from India. Brother, I learned so much from your channel. Thank you. Hey, man, that means a lot. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. I'm happy to help. We have 50 likes today. Thank you guys for all the likes. Thank you for all the love. It means a lot. You know, building a community and a following isn't easy. Trying to stay consistent every single day. I do enjoy meeting with you guys and just joining in and trading. Holy cannoli. There it is. There's the break. What do you think? Come on. I'm sorry, I'm closing that out. I can't wait anymore. Oh, oh. I got emotional and closed it out early. Ay caramba. Don't do what I did, is close out early. But it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, I'm going to lock myself out on this combine. We're up $1,343 for the day. On the Express accounts, which is funded, we are up $723 on 2 accounts, which is great. Locked out. Thanks, guys. Good trade. Good trade. Thanks, guys. GG's, everybody. If you took the trade, GG's. Such a good time. Hey, listen, do me a favor. Join my follow me on WhatsApp, on Instagram. Let's put some W's in the chat. If we could, W's in the chat. Let's see here. W's, dual capture. Okay, guys, W's in the chat. W's in the chat for everybody watching. Can we get some W's? Are you Filipino? Yes, I am. I am Filipino. Come on, can we get some W's for everybody? W's in the chat. Money in the combines. Not good, but not bad. Never mind. Thanks. Thanks a lot. You're funny. ShackMT is my Instagram. Guys, ShackMT is my Instagram. Which it is TopStep. Oh man, the W's came late. Hold on. All right, we got the W's coming in. W's in the chat. W's, GG's, everybody, GG's. Hopefully you guys, made some money with us today. But yeah, we're gonna lock ourselves out of the combine, and we made money on the actual express funded accounts. So yeah, let's go. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. I do not teach. I will not teach. I try to, and it gets me all caught up. So, pwede ba magpaturo? I don't teach, man. I don't. I'm sorry. I'll be live every day as much as possible. That's what I'll do, but I'm not going to be teaching. W's in the chat. Yeah! I'm losing weight. We're making a little bit of money. Feeling good. Enjoying life. I don't work for anybody. I got my own little business. That's a W for me. I don't have a boss. I'm my own boss, but also comes with its stress. But yeah, today $1,300. We could have waited for $200 extra to be at 15. So essentially, it's going to take us 3 days to pass this, which is whatever. Totally fine. Good day, guys. I appreciate you. I genuinely, if I don't see you again, I love you. God loves you, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Let's do it again tomorrow. Follow me on the Discord. Join the Discord. It's free. Follow me on Instagram. That's free. Hitting the subscribe button's free.